Hi guys and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng baked chicken spaghetti. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, magpe-preheat tayo ng oil dito sa ating pan at igigisa natin yung sibuyas. Hintayin lang natin lumambot itong ating sibuyas. Pag malambot na yung ating sibuyas, ilalagay na natin yung chopped chorizos. At lulutuin lang natin to hanggang sa magmantika na yung ating chorizo. Gantong ready na yung ating chorizo, pwede na nating ilagay yung garlic. Continue lang natin ng paggisa hanggang sa lumabas yung aroma ng ating garlic. Pwede na nating i-add yung 1 cup ng chopped ham. Ito lang, optional lang. Kung meron lang kayong extra. Then we can add yung ating 1 cup ng mushroom, yung ating chopped bell pepper. Haluin lang natin ng konti. Then, we can add yung 1 cup ng tomato sauce. Haluin uli natin ng konti. Then, we can add yung 1 cup ng all-purpose cream. Kung wala kayong all-purpose cream, pwede din yung cream of mushroom soup. Then, add na rin natin yung 2 cups ng chicken broth. And haluin natin. You can also add half a cup ng ating grated cheese. Then, isi-season na natin to ng salt to taste. Adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. And pepper to taste. Haluin uli natin. Then, we can add yung 1 tablespoon ng paprika. Make sure na wala yung buo-buo ng ating paprika powder. And we will simmer this for 20 to 30 minutes on medium heat. Kailangan lutong-luto yung tomato sauce para hindi maasim. Mix it once in a while habang pinakukuluan. And then continue natin to hanggang sa medyo lumapat lang ng konti yung ating sauce. Then after 30 minutes, i-add na natin yung shredded chicken. You can also add 1 tablespoon of sugar kung gusto nyo na medyo may konting tamis. And then, mix it well. Isi-simmer pa natin to for another 5 minutes. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung sauce natin ay medyo malabnaw or quite runny. Okay lang yan. Pwede na natin itong i-switch off. Dito sa ating pan, nag-brush lang ako ng konting oil. I-transfer na natin yung cooked spaghetti noodles. Yung noodles kailangan al dente ang luto. And then we can add the sauce. Itong recipe na ito, nakagawa ako ng 2 tray. Then, haluin natin. Make sure na merong sauce lahat ng ating noodles. you can add more sauce on top. Kahit malabnaw yung ating sauce, yung noodles, i-absorb niya mamaya yung sauce pag na-bake na. And then, garnish natin ng grated cheese on top. Mag-preheat na rin kayo ng oven sa 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Ibe-bake natin to for 30 minutes. So, gawin ko naman yung second tray. Unahin ko naman yung sauce sa ilalim. Repeat nyo lang yung procedure. So, lagyan natin yung sauce. And then, haluin. And then, garnish with the grated cheese on top. Bake this for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes ng baking, luto na yung ating baked spaghetti. Ililive lang natin to cool down for about 15 minutes. Ayan, after 15 minutes, pwede na natin itong iserve. Transfer natin sa ating serving plate. And pwede natin itong i-garnish ng fresh or dried parsley. And this one is ready for serving. Best served with garlic bread. And there you have it, our baked chicken spaghetti. Sana magustuhan niyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ako po si Aling Oday. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.